Literally the most beautiful women are talking to me and I get to make money from them. No, I'm not joking. This is serious. I'm gonna show you in this video how you make $100 a day talking to models. And my money gun's out for a reason. Because this is another one of those methods. I'm gonna show you from front to back, step by step, how we go from posting and making money, how you get paid. You can do this from anywhere in the world. Doesn't require any money. You can do this any country. You can do this on your freaking mobile device. I see you kids out there trying to learn how to make money watching these videos on portrait mode. At least flip it to landscape and then get yourself a laptop. But I'm gonna show you how to make money no matter what. We're gonna be messaging models. This is two-step system. You're gonna message models. You're gonna make them the irresistible offer. They're gonna make money. Very easy. Seems too good to be true. Well, is it clickbait? Who knows? But check it out because I'm gonna detail this out step by step and I'm gonna do it out here on my computer. And if you know this is gonna be a good video, then hit that like button and type in action taker if you know you're gonna take action on this. This is gonna be a lot of fun. You're gonna see a lot of sexy ladies. Let's get into it. So for those of you who don't know, my name is John Crestani and I make money doing affiliate marketing. I started affiliate marketing back in 2009. Affiliate marketing is selling other people's products and earning a commission. And what you use to link people to other people's products is a link, okay? So, and the link tracks on the internet using these weird things called cookies, but the internet knows who posted a link, and if somebody buys from your link, you make money. That's the great thing about this business is you don't have to do any customer service, you don't have to do any support, you don't have to ship anybody anything, you don't have to purchase any inventory, you don't have to have a business. All you have to do is have a PayPal account, a home address, or a bank account to have your money sent to, and you need to post links online. And I'm gonna show you some real cutty ways. I've made a pretty good career out of finding the sneaky ways of posting links and what to write and what to say, what images to use, what videos to use to sell products and make money. And on this video, on this channel, I show you the ways of how you too can use these methods to make money. But I'm not altruistic. I'm not here just doing this because I like people. I'm doing this because, frankly, I'm greedy. I want to make money. And I want you to make money too, but I need to incentivize you. So you're going to be selling my product when you apply this method. And we're going to split the profits 50-50. If it doesn't work out, don't ever have to watch a video again, but it does. Your life will be changed and we'll both make a little bit of money. $500 to be exact. So let's put this into action. Now on the site we're going to be going on to message models is a site called Model Mayhem, okay? Modelmayhem.com. Eddie, you know this site, right?
Oh, I know this site very well.
That's the videographer. He knows the site very well. You do a lot of videos for models that end up on... Yeah, so Model Mayhem is where the models are. There's about 1 million models, and they use Model Mayhem as a kind of networking site. Models go on there and try to get jobs, and people go on there to hire models for jobs. There's a lot of beautiful ladies, and all these beautiful ladies are looking to make extra money, which is where we come in. I have a program teaching people how to make money at home. These models, they want to hang out in their underwear and make money at home, okay? Some of them do just want to be looked at and admired and stuff. But for this, we're going to sign up for Model Mayhem. And you actually want to sign up as an individual artist. You'll select the category and you can just select your own model now, I guess. So select go. See, there's over 1 million modeling professionals there. You could sign up as a photographer if you want to take pictures of them, you know? Hey, Eddie does. And just fill out your information and then you get an account and you can send 10 friend requests a day and you can send unlimited messages to friends every single day. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be friending people and we're going to be sending them messages. So you can't friend a ton of people, but we can friend 10 people a day and that gives us 10 chances to actually send out messages when we're using this method every single day. Now, the next step is we're going to want to send out a message, okay? So once we're in Model Mayhem, we want to send out a message and we're actually going to go down here. This is my resource link. So you'll see my resource link right here, which is johncrestani.com/resource. And you want to go to this site to actually look up the profession-based messaging methods right here, okay? So you see that right there, and you want to click that button, and it will take you to the section with profession-based based messages. Now, I've provided two message templates for you. One is a more direct template, which sends them directly to the link, and the other is a more indirect template, which is getting them to actually express interest before you send them the link to your product. Now, again, when you're marketing my product, you don't need to make a lot of sales every week. All you need to make is one sale a week, and you're making an extra $500 a week or $100 a day, or roughly $3,000 a month. That's all you need to do. Okay, now in this case, what we're gonna wanna do is we're actually gonna wanna edit it. So it'll say, hey, I saw you were looking to add a little extra income to being a profession. If you'd like, I can send you the training, let me know. Now, in this case, you'll wanna replace everything in the brackets. Model, you wanna say, looks like you're making a little extra income to being a model, okay? Again, don't put the model in brackets, right? That's gonna look weird. That's not how people normally talk or type. In fact, it's better to not punctuate things right. Most people don't capitalize the first letter of sentences. Most people don't spell things right. Most people don't even use apostrophes. Most people just spell things incorrectly, and the more natural this seems like a chat, the better this is gonna work. So I would send out these messages to 10 different models and start getting the process going. And when they respond to you, you will send them your affiliate link to my free training. So we got step one out of the way. We know the messages to send people, but what is the link that you're gonna send them? That's where the money comes in. And there's two different affiliate networks that I recommend joining. One is ClickBank, I'll just abbreviate it, CB, and one is Digistore, which I abbreviate DS. The differences between ClickBank and Digistore are that ClickBank is mainly available in the US or Europe, but the good thing about ClickBank is they have 5,000 products that you can get paid out for. You have a lot of variety there. Meanwhile, Digistore is best for all over the world, right? You can sign up anywhere in the world and they pay out through PayPal. But again, there's only about 75 products in Digistore which you can sell. So take your pick. So you can find the links to both of these sites back in the description. Digistore is run by this German guy in a man bun. Smart guy though, even though he has a man bun, named Sven. And then when you log in, you can find my product in the marketplace. So you click the marketplace, and when you're logged in, you can click that promote now button and you can get your link, okay? So you'd click promote now and you'd log in and you'd get your link. And as you see, my product is the #1 product on the Digistore marketplace. So you can make a lot of money doing it. Again, it says average $702. That's because you'll make $500 day one, and then over time, you'll make more money selling my product, which is based on the recurring billing. So that's the program. That's how you do it. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and say I'm excited in the comments, or I'm messaging models, or give me the models, whatever you're gonna do. These girls are hot, and when you sign up, you're gonna see a lot of cute pictures. That's the other thing for this. So you know what? I'll let you guys do your fapping on your own, have fun, but these models are gorgeous. You're gonna have so much fun doing this method. I guarantee you, marketing is so much fun. It's the best ever. 2020 is the year we make marketing great again. Guarantee you. Let's make marketing great again. So go out, have fun, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and see you in my next video. Money videos coming out every single week.